Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Do you want to know about blademall.com? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should use this online platform or not for your shopping. So let's check out the detail. Platform is the online website that claims a vast collection of the items like apparel, digital, garden, furniture, lifestyle, sports, outdoor tools, etc. All the items available on the website look classy and attractive. Like you can avail all the facility provided by the portal web worldwide, like especially in United States. They are offering items with good amount of discount. Let's check out the features of the website. It is HTTPS secure website. They have mentioned the email address, but it is not matching the domain name at all, so it can be a red alert. They have shared their physical address and contact detail. It is actually offering massive collection of multiple items. For delivery they need 5 to 7 days. Payment method is just PayPal. They have shared their social media links, but these are not active. You can return or refund the product within 15 days of your purchase. You can cancel the product within 24 hours if you change your mind. The positive aspect of the website are all the policies are discussed in detail. Communication links are available. Trust rank is about 58.1 out of 100. It looks like average. The website has security certificate. The products on the portal look attractive. The negative aspect of the website are there is no activity on social media pages. That means these are inactive accounts. It was created on 12th October 2021. It has bad trust score. The communication links are copied from other portals that are misleading us. It is providing an unrealistic discount, means in low prices that make it suspicious more. So the question is Blade Mall legit or a scam? As we discussed, it is newly created website. It was created on 12th October 2021, just for 1 year. It will expire on 12th October 2022. The content of the website is plagiarized. It has zero luxury ranking. Average trust rank about 58.1 and trust score is 1%. That is horrible. No activity in social media, that means no traffic, no publicity. We found mixed reviews. The website has unrealistic discount, but the products are very attractive. As we all know that customer reviews give us a huge help to decide about the legitimacy of the site, but when we check out the reviews, unluckily we found mixed reviews on the website, and when we check out and verify on trustworthy portal, no lines are available. So in our final conclusion and in our final verdict, we can say that as the website is newly created, it has bad trust index and average trust rank. It is misleading communication details. It's unrealistic discount make this website questionable. So we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from this store at the moment. We recommend you it's better to wait for some time to have some genuine reviews to come. Moreover, if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience. We love to hear from you.